Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the divisibility by 13 with the help of this example. Divisibility by 13 is important because when our number is large and to check whether that number is divisible by 13 or not, that time the regular division will take some time. So instead of avoiding that long division process, you can check directly with the help of Vedic Maths trick. So let's see the first example. Here our number is 117. In the first step, you have to break this number into the two parts. Here, our last number and the remaining number. Last number is 7 and remaining number is 11. So from any number, if we are given any number, then that number you have to break into the two parts. That last number and remaining part of the number. Here, the last number you have to multiply by oscillating number or you can say it is a ekadika number. Here the last number you have to multiply by oscillating number. For 13, oscillating number is 4. We know that in the previous video we have discussed the divisibility by 7. That time oscillating number was 5. And here we are taking oscillating number 4 because for 13 oscillating number is 4. How to find the oscillating number, that we are going to discuss in the coming video. So for time being, just remember for 13 it is a 4. Multiply this 4 to the last number and add that product into the remaining part of the number. Means here the remaining part is 11 and take the product of this two number. 7 and 4 is 28. 28 plus of 11 is 39, and we know that 39 is divisible by 13. Here 39, 13 3s are 39, so 13 3s are 39, that means 39 is divisible by 13. And when this answer is divisible by 13, then we can say our original number, that is 117, is also divisible by 13. Isn't it simple? Yes. As I am explaining, that's why it takes a time. But once you know this trick, you can solve it quickly. So last number multiply by 4, add that product into the remaining part of the number, and if that answer is divisible by 13, then we can say our original number is divisible by 13. Now see the next example. Here our next example is 208. The best way to learn the maths is solve the question by your own once you understand the concept. So I want you to pause the video for the moment and try this example by yourself. I hope you got the answer. Now check the steps. Here again break this number into the two part. Last number 8 multiply by oscillating number 4 and add this product into the remaining part of the number. So 20 plus of 8 into 4, and as you know 8 into 4 is 32. 32 plus of 20 is 52. Is it 52 is divisible by 13? Yes. 13 4s are 52. That means 52 is divisible by 13. Hence our original number 208 also divisible by 13. Now we will take the bigger example. So here next example is 1421. This is a 4-digit number. Now again the process is same. You have to break the number into the two part. The last number is 1 multiply by oscillating number 4 and add this product into the remaining part of the number. So here our number 142 we are adding in the product of 1 into 4. So here 142 as it is. Here product of 1 and 4 is 4. If we take their addition, then answer become 146. Still our number is large. It is a 3-digit number. So again division process we don't have to use. So again break this number into the two part. Here 14 add into the product of 6 into 4. So take the product of 6 and 4. So 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now 24 plus of 14 is 38. Is it 38 is divisible by 13? No. 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39. So 38 is not divisible by 13. Hence, our answer is not divisible by 13. It means that our original number 1421 is also not divisible by 13. So this is the complete concept about divisibility by 13. Thank you for watching.